Meaning of manipulate.
Manipulate. Manipulate.
Verb. Definitions. 1. To handle or control something skillfully or cleverly. 2. To influence or control someone or something, cleverly or unscrupulously, often in a way that is dishonest or unfair. Examples. 1. She manipulated the rope with ease, tying a perfect knot. 2. The politician was accused of manipulating public opinion through misleading statements. Verb. Definitions. 1. To treat or operate on something, in a skilled or clever way, especially in a scientific or technical context. 2. To alter or falsify data or evidence, deliberately and dishonestly. Examples. 1. The scientist manipulated the sample to remove impurities. 2. The company was fined for manipulating their financial records to deceive investors.
Manipulate. Manipulate.